Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw a Matic from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Matic tokens smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is quicker than you might think, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything before you proceed. First things first, make sure you have both a Gemini account with some Matic in it and a Coinbase wallet set up. If you don't, pause this video and get those sorted. It's essential for a seamless transfer. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts or Wallet section and select your Matic balance. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 2. Choose Matic as the asset you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you're withdrawing, but be mindful of any minimum limits or fees Gemini might charge. These can vary, so check that out to avoid surprises. Step 3. Now, switch to your Coinbase Wallet app or website. Go to the Receive section, select Matic, and copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to prevent any mix-ups. Step 4. Back in Gemini, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the withdrawal form. Add any required details, like a memo if needed, and review the transaction summary. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. In 2025, blockchain tech evolves fast. Once it's done, check your Coinbase wallet to see your Matic arrive. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.